Hey, welcome to the lab. All right, John's Guitar Lab. All right, what's going on? 5'2" again. The only thing is we're changing the key. Rhythm guitar, very important. All downstrokes. All right, now I know we played this in the key of C. We're going to be playing it in the key of G, and we're also going to be doing it later on in a couple of other keys. It's important because what happens is, let's say you want to play, even if it's for yourself or you're playing behind a singer, you're going to be strumming some chords. Not everyone's going to sing in what we call the original key. Sometimes you're going to have to be able to change the key. The only way you're going to understand and learn how to do that is by doing it. All right, so even though, yes, we're repeating a song, we're doing it in a different key. All right, different mindset. All right, moving right along. We know here in the key of G, as we did with the key of C, I showed you all the chords. All right, the only difference with this thing in the key of G is we're going to be using the G chord itself. Okay, let's that a little bit better that way. Okay, and the other thing you're going to see is the B7 chord, or a better way to put it is the dreaded B7 chord. This is almost as much fun as playing the F chord. Right. Anyway, we know how the song went because I played it for you. All right. Difference here is that we're doing in the key of G. I'm just going to jump right ahead in this case and go right into rhythm guitar. All right. Set your metronome. We have it on 60. Key of G, remember, 4/4 time. We have all the F's are sharp. That's if there was in the melody. Everything else structurally is the same. All right. We're going to go through the 7th chords. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. I started on a bar chord. Let's go through it once again. All down strokes, nice, easy. Remember with the counting, you go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 3 and 4. So you feel the groove. Okay, we're going to jump into the bridge. B7, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 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 and 4 5'2" in the key of G. All right. Good luck with it. Remember, all downstrokes, when you're counting with the metronome, put that syllable or syllables in between, 1 and 2, or 1 and a 2, and a 1 and a 2, whatever, the best way for you to feel that groove. All right. Questions, comments below. If you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up. All right, please subscribe. All right, Take care of yourself, and we'll see you soon.